Hello guys, in this video we will know about how we can use mobile phone as a webcam. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you. Guys, you will think that why we use our mobile phone as a webcam. It's because sometimes you don't have webcam installed on your computer or laptop, or it's not having that resolution which we want to expect from it. So for that thing we can use our mobile phone so that we can get a good visuals. We can use it for Google Meet, Zoom, anything you want to work with. So let us start. First of all, you have to open your browser and write down here iriun.com, where you can download the application so that this process we will be able to work with. Here you can see that there are different types of platform. Whether if you have a Windows, you can download here. If you have a Mac operating system, you can download this platform, or you can have a Linux, then you can go for Ubuntu, webcam for Ubuntu. Right now I am having installed operating system, that is Windows 10. I will click here and you can see it's a very small application. Download is completed and click here and click as run. You can click here I accept the agreement, click next and choose your destination folder, click next. As you can see, there is the option you can install number of cameras here. Right now I will install only one camera. You have the option that you can install number of cameras. I will install here right now one and click install. Now the installation has been completed. You can click here finish and it will start the Iron webcam server. Click here finish. Now this was the first process. Now the second process is you have to install on your mobile this Irony app as well. You can go to the Google Play Store and where you can install Irony app on your mobile phone. Now the installation has been finished. Now click here Iron webcam. Here you can see no phone is available. You have to open the app on your mobile, same app Irony webcam, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected with your PC and mobile. They are connected with Wi-Fi, and on mobile you have to open it and continue. Click continue. When I click continue, it will be automatically connected with our PC. Here you can see I am now connected. My rear camera is connected with this mobile. I can use this mobile camera to all like Google Meet, Zoom, whatever you want, you can connect with this camera. I can also move this camera here and there, and you can see its resolution is good as compared to computer's camera. This way you can connect with a mobile phone camera. Now I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thanks for watching.